Hi guys, I'm your hairshionista
and I happen to be the fashionista. So I came to look beautiful, to get glam.
She's ready for
Why are you hitting me? See, I'm a customer, don't insult me.
Customer what?
Do you understand?
Cosmology. Which one are you picking? Yeah, and teeth.
No. I want to get married to God, dedicate all my life, dedicate my body. Here.
Guys, my name is McDonald and I'm your hairshionista for this show, and if you are joining us for the first time, this is actually our first episode. Our fashionista for today is no other person but one of the most beautiful girls in the city. Her birthday is around the corner, so she's preparing for her birthday shoots and everything. So birthday girl, the vibe and everything. But the girl, she dey worry. Her name is Zara. I call her Zara Dedman.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. I go by the name Zara and I happen to be the fashionista. My birthday is coming up 3 days from now, so I came to look beautiful, to get glammed. You understand that word, right? So just wait for my return. I got you guys.
First of all, we'll first do the transition because that one is very, very important. So let's get to that. It's actually tedious, but she's ready for it. The transition is going to be more something like, I go carry hair now, like your hair. You understand? You know that video where they do, where they say you go hit the hair on the person, like the hair go come, the person go come transform to a different person, and that's what we're going to be doing.
Okay.
But this one now will be different because like when I hit you the hair, you'll be like, guy, that transition will be do. I've been waiting.
What is it?
What is it? What is it? What is it? Why are you hitting me like this? This is how to do the transition. This is not how I used to see it on TV. You'll be like, in fact, I'm not interested. I'm going. I'm not doing it again.
Okay.
And you'll be like leaving.
Snap drum.
I will not draw you back. That will not be
like
transition. You've not seen it anywhere.
You're mad.
You have not seen it anywhere. I'm just telling you.
See, I'm a customer. Don't insult me.
Customer what?
Do you understand?
Cosmology. Something like a practice.
Okay.
Let's do a practice of what we want to do. Drop your phone. Please, can you drop your phone?
Okay, let's go.
I'll be like, the sound is something like back. Now
something like
now wipe you with the hair like this. Yes,
no.
It's the wipe now that you not like what is this? Is this how this transition is done?
Yeah.
Why are you hitting me like that? Excuse me, like leaving out. I'll just stay and be looking at you then I'll be like, come back now. You now come back. Once you sit, that is your new look.
Okay.
You understand? Have you seen that one anywhere?
Yeah. I never see it. Okay.
Okay, I understand. Okay. You talk.
Okay, I'm gonna talk.
Okay, talk like, come on. What is it?
Okay, what is it?
Yeah.
I'm on your girlfriend. Why are you doing that to me? Come on.
Yo. What did you just we didn't really stress. Zara is actually a good actress. We made it quite easy.
What is it? Why are you hitting me? Transition, I don't understand. Is that how they do it? You're hitting me, you're beating me, and you're telling me you're doing transition. I don't understand.
That is how we should do it.
I don't get. I think I have to leave here.
Come.
What?
Wait, you don't miss that, but like he's still on coach. Didn't do much of correction, just like twice or 3 times and go wanted.
Hey! What is it?
Sorry.
Sorry about what? Why are you hitting me? Why are you beating me?
It's transition.
Transition, wait. Is this how you do your own hair? You beat your customers? Oh my god, I think I have to leave here.
Please. She's an actress actually in real life. She's an actress. See it, but she's good. So guys, if you're interested in our frontal install process, you can actually check out a video on our channel. Notification is at the top side of the video and you can actually access it from there. Okay, and also we installed and customized this wig off camera. If you want to see a video on that, do say hi to me. We're almost done with this set now. Just little touches here and there. It needs to be done and to go. Where do you plan to travel this year? Now your village.
No.
Your village, like.
I want to go for a vacation, like go for vacations, you know. When it comes to Nigeria, I want to go to Calabar. All this Obudu, is it Obudu or what? You know that place now.
Well, you have been posting it since.
Yeah. That's one I'm planning to go. Like just vacation, be myself, look beautiful. Like I said before, be close to God, take my business serious, get my pages monetized. I can have a lot. Last year, my relationship with God was not that
tight.
Was not that tight. So this year, I want to get married to God, dedicate all my life, dedicate my body here to Him.
To God.
As for marriage, this year,
marriage now the next 5 years.
God forbid. Chris. You don't talk, God never talk, go punish you. I didn't write to marriage down, but it's God.
And if your head correct, calm down.
My head no calm down like this.
You calm down.
God know the kind man what they find. I don't think marry short man.
Get one guy where I see you and
you know well though, which one they talk with the worker? I know the worker be sending. I think I have one guy too though. He's short, but no shortness, no that much.
Once love enter now, that shortness you not really see.
Where's your con?
Once love is involved, the matters of the heart becomes compromised. Now to the game part. What actually made this game very interesting is because already Zara was famished, like she was hungry, and like the outcome was also funny because he just played in her favor this time. I wish it went otherwise. I wanted to see her reaction, her face. Well, she has to pick 3 different numbers, and inside of the 3 numbers she has an option of picking one as her own. The other one, we share it into 2. Whatever she picks, then we have to share it. Then the third one, she throws it away. So whatever is inside it, she trashes it away, and like it's out. So we have 3 different numbers, different papers. She has to pick 3 of them and actually decide what she wants to do with the 3. She's not opening it though. So anyone you pick, you're going to say what you want to do to it. It's inside here. Okay. So pick one. Don't open it though when you pick. That is number 3. Don't open it. Just open another one. Don't open it. 1. Okay.
Number 1.
Number 1. And then
number 2.
Okay, so out of the 3, which one are you picking? This girl and T.
No.
Well, I'm like this.
Okay, out of the 3.
Yes, 1, 2, 3. You have 1, 2, 3 here.
Which one should I pick? Should I pick one?
One, you have to choose one. One,
Okay.
are you choosing? Which one are you choosing to keep? Okay, let me ask you, which one are you keeping?
I'm hungry. I want to eat. Let me go for 2.
Okay, 2. Okay, which one are you going to throw away?
Okay, I'm going to throw away 1.
He's throwing away 1.
I'm throwing away 1.
Then 3. We are going to share 3.
Whatever
is 3. So what we have here, we have shawarma. We have
oh my god,
a drink, exotic drink, and then we have the last one will be is words of affirmation. So let's see what she chose here inside of it. You said 3. You are throwing 3 away.
I'm throwing 3 away.
So let's trash 3.
No, now let's know what's inside 3
we'll
now.
See what is inside now, but let's
Okay.
first find out what is inside. Which one are we sharing? 1.
Yeah, we are sharing 1.
We are sharing 1. Then 2 is one you are for yourself.
For myself.
So open 2. When you open it, you show it to the camera.
That is the shower.
So okay. So 2 is shawarma. That is for yourself.
For myself,
So what are
shower.
we sharing? Open 1.
We are okay. We are sharing words of affirmation. So I trashed out my drink.
At the time we were recording, we didn't know that that we made mistake. Like we actually switched what she picked in the side of the trash and the share. So we were supposed to trash the words of affirmation and share the drink, but that was 3 and 1. So we actually made the mistake of trashing 3, which was the drink. But at the end of the day, guess what? We shared it. So it's a win-win. Nobody lost. Normal. So it's the words of is the drinks that we actually trashed.
Okay, yeah, we trashed the drink.
Trash drink. So I don't know how we will do them. I was thinking we're going to share this thing.
Share what? I've already that's the game
So
now.
it's words of affirmation that we're going to share.
Exactly.
Yeah. Give me my own portion.
Your own portion is that stop chasing women. Chase money. Leave women and chase money.
Okay.
When you make the money, you can now come and chase women. Do you hear me?
But that one is the words of affirmation.
That's what I want to tell you. That's my own. That's my own words of affirmation. I've told you my own.
You know, can I give you my own?
No.
We are going to share it.
It's not possible. No.
Yeah,
give
my own
me.
words of
It's true.
And so my own is try this year. May you get good character. Try and have good character. If you see man good. This year is too young and fresh. You have a long way to go.
Please, excuse me. Hello.
Have good character. Have bad character. Joke. We were supposed to give ourselves affirmation, but we both choose to give ourselves hot, to speak our minds, to wash our dirty linens outside. And that is what I did, because she did me first and I had to follow up. So let's say the word of affirmation was also trashed, because that one is not word of any affirmation. I'm telling you.
Don't mind this guy. This guy is crazy. I don't understand. Have I done bad to you before?
I've seen your attitude.
Have I done?
You don't have good character.
What do I? Okay. Guys, I brought food to this guy. Like I bought food. I brought to him in the shop. Haven't I tried?
You brought up and cook. What else?
Up and cook is not food.
Which one is up and
In your village, they used to sell that kind of food. That combination of like seen it.
You don't see fried rice and
you
rice.
Eat and close mouth. Shall eat to use your hand and wipe your mouth. What car?
Nonsense.
Buruku.
So this is her shawarma.
Give me my shawarma.
She chose shawarma that she keep to herself. She trashed the drink.
I beg, help me with that drink.
Which one is helping? You don't trash her. You have trashed it, so you have no business.
Guys,
drink it out of the picture.
Please, I need something that carry this thing
You have
down
luck. You
now.
have luck. You never even choose. You not try the shawarma.
I can never trash it.
Like I'll be so happy.
I cannot trash this shawarma. I have eyes now.
Or even still said maybe.
I have spiritual eyes.
And if you choose something like to share the shawarma, so even be better said. Yeah. So guys, that's what we are doing. So words of affirmation is what we shared, and
the smell is not those. Oh my.
Yeah, wickedness.
Are you mad?
If you say you buy shawarma, come for me, I go complain. Can bread.
You're not supposed to chop shawarma.
Or Bangkok.
Bangkok is food now. Look at me.
And this is that are buying something for me in like 6 months now. That like in a year, say last year, did you buy anything for me?
Why are you trying to tell your audience I'm stingy? I'm not stingy.
You're stingy. That is the truth. After all that we have styled here, Zara, aka Zara Dima, is ready to unveil her new look for her birthday. She's looking beautiful, guys. She's looking so beautiful. Oh my god. Wow. Zara Dima. The hair came out very nice, and I loved every part of the styling because it's actually not the first time I'm installing Zara, so it kind of came out so fine and nice. Though she was doubting the look, and I didn't tell her anything about the look, I just like gave her what was in my mind. Zara Dima.
Guys, I look so good.
Yeah, 360.
Okay. So how do I look, guys? I look good, right? I know.
360. Yeah.
I know, right?
Wow, baby.
Yeah, baby. Thank you so much. I love the work. Like, you did a great job over here. Like, it's so nice.
That was the game.
The game was actually very nice. Yeah, you know why it was nice on my own time? Because I chose that shawarma because I've been very hungry since morning. I've been telling Magdun I'm hungry, buy me food. So once he said game, I was like, what kind of game? And food is involved. I was like, wow, that's a great one. So I'm happy I chose shawarma.
How was the process of the hair?
The process of the hair, it was fun. You know why it was fun? Because we had a long conversation. We kind of gisting, chatting, kind of gisting, you know. It wasn't boring for me. Like, McDonald is a very fun person. You can't be around him and you feel like bored. That's not possible, you know. So he gave me like, we have chewing gums around, so food, drinks. So it wasn't stressful at all for me. Like now I look very beautiful. Like I look like a princess. Can you see the hair? So nice, very comfortable. Like I'm not feeling any pain, nothing like that. Like this is so, guys. As for now, like right now, I'm going for my photo shoots. Don't worry, I'll show you guys a picture.
Zara is one of those clients that have transitioned from clientele level into clientele. Is it correct? Yes. Into friends. You understand? So like, girl, she did, you know, but like, it's not like when she comes I'm always happy, but like I'm sad. But thank you for watching this video. I would love to see you again next time. Do well to come back and check up on us, and watch out for our next video. I love you guys. Goodbye. Bye.